Hello, this is Chris Roshna, 24K on Twitter. Today we're taking an unboxing and an overview of the OtterSpot from Otter products. This is a wirelessly charging battery pack. It also charges via USB Type-C, and you can charge other devices with its USB-C port. Now we're going to go in the box. So all the accessories kind of come out right there. So you get your USB Type-C charging cable right there. That's handy. Then you get some documentation here, probably a little warranty card as well. So this is part of a kit, but they also sell them separately. The OtterSpot wirelessly charges 10 watts, and we'll give you some information here on the back of this box. We're going to quickly scroll over the box information. You can just pause the video and read it at your leisure. So the 10 watts is fast charging. So when you set this on the base station, it will charge it this way. The button to turn it on is right on front, and we'll show you the charge level of the OtterSpot. So it's pretty low, so we need to charge this. This is the whole charging base right here. And then on the back, you have the USB Type-C port. So you can charge this device with the USB Type-C cable, and you can charge other devices. Now, what if you want to charge two devices at the same time? You can do that. You can put a wireless charging device right on top, and then you can plug in a cable on the back and charge another device simultaneously. It offers varying charging levels and modes, so we'll notate that in the description, but you can go ahead and we're going to move in to see this information if you want to pause the video to take a look there, but it will also be in the description as well. This is the OtterBox OtterSpot, and this is an accessory for the charging base, or you can just use it by itself as well. This is Chris Roshna, 24K on Twitter and Instagram. Please follow us there. Subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments, and of course, thumbs up.